Good morning, Director, Administrator, teachers, and students. My name is Bhaktiratana Thakor.
My name is Emha Lolithakor.
My name is Manitip Chachalavit.
My name is Metasit Winta.
My name is Phormongkol Ratanakaran. My name is Kanyarat Chaitanakavit. And we are from year 9A. For the Science Week, our project is the helicopter. Together, we've discussed about the project and decided to use our own controller helicopter toy and adjust some parts of it.
And as you can see, we have adjusted our controlled helicopter toy by painting it with acrylic paint, and we have made a new cover for it. And actually, before we have this cover, we have these two covers before, but it didn't work because the weight is too heavy.
And besides recycling stuff, we also thought this model can be adjusted again to be used for several specific advantages. For instance, it can be used to help relieving the problem of flood, but we can attach the camera on the helicopter to observe different areas. The material used for this helicopter are an O-control helicopter, card paper, blister, paint spot, and decoration.
The procedures in making this controlled helicopter. 1. Observe your old controlled helicopter toy to see which parts can be fixed or reused again. 2. Cut the card papers to give a shape to the helicopter. 3. Stick the card papers together to form a cover for the helicopter by using Scotch tape. 4. Paint the cover to give it texture. 5. Paint the remaining propellers. Make sure you do not make it too thick, otherwise it will not fly. And finally, test it out.
While we are doing the cover of a helicopter, we have studying about the theory according to the process of the helicopter and concluded into two questions. The first question is, why is a helicopter controllable? For this question, we found out about the thing called RC toy or NOAA's radio control toy. This toy includes cars, helicopters, submarines, and more. They are totally different from the operation, but they all have the same basic principle. They contain four main parts, which are the transmitter, the receiver, the motor, and the power source. The transmitter, it is the one you hold in your hand, sends signals or radio waves to the receiver. The receiver, stored in the toy, receives signals and activates, then sent to the motor. The motor operates the propellers and others. Lastly, the power source. It is the battery needed to run all the process. Our control helicopter is like any other RC toy, and this is how it works.
The second question is, how does the helicopter fly? Mainly, as the propeller of the helicopter starts to spin, lift is produced, and as lift is produced, the force of the lift is more than the weight of the helicopter. This makes the resultant force going upward, and that causes the helicopter to rise up in the air.
For the conclusion, this project taught us lots of things. When you see this thing at first, you might think it is easy to adjust some part of it, but actually it is not. The reason is that each part of the helicopter has its own proper weight to balance the whole thing in order to fly properly. And we have to do more and more research, analyze the weight of each part, and the materials used to adjust the helicopter is very important. First, we tried to use card paper as new propellers, but we found out that it won't work because it can't create lift like these plastic propellers do. This is why we got to know a lot about a control helicopter toy. We have to study about different parts of the helicopter, the helicopter working principles, how it flies, and how it is controlled. We have recycled our old control helicopter toy, which this is one of the 7 R's process that help to deal with the global warming problem. For example, to relieving the problem of flood by attaching the camera on it and send the helicopter to the different areas to observe the problem. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.